speak.
My people, money now water. See the beautiful moment. My Uche Nancy, they share money to her crew member just to appreciate them and encourage them to work hard. Say one day everything will be fine. Mommy, see me, I dey for back. Make the money reach me for here. This woman is so blessed. Now her good heart make Baba God just dey bless her. They go. They see as crew members just dey happy. Everybody just dey come. See mommy, see me, oh mommy, see me. She don't throw away the money. Say I make una rush go. Now so everybody begin dey run kitty kitty kata kata go pick money. Oh my people no be small thing. This one sweet me. I no go lie. Biko na beg. Click the link on my bio, my people. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just support your baby girl. It's not easy to dey bring this up and down. I beg, click the link on my bio and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next episode. You see your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share. If they give me one kind of encouragement to continue, stay safe out there. See Chinere and Chinere just dey cause mommy when my own you talk say money don't finish. You go suck your own letter for my Ife dear, you understand? As last baby where she be. No be smart. See as everybody just dey happy. This one they raise the money, they dance, they go. See oh, they just give us money. As they get they raise the money, now Chinere come they tell mommy, see as everybody just dey hold money. Give me my own now. I don't like this thing, no. That's so Sonia just come. This one just they grab the money. Say mommy, see us your daughters now, make you give us our own. Now so Sonia come they look the money, say so mommy now you dash these people this money where our own day. That's everybody just they say they go now own go come. More everybody just they happy, they shine teeth, they go. This thing sweet me that no go lie. God bless from Uche Nancy. She will continue to live long and prosper. She will live to reap the fruit of her labor, and those way she help go in turn help her and her generation. My people, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.